So in this video, we will learn how to perform addition and subtraction of numbers, and here are some rules that you need to know. So if you have a plus and a minus sign together, the minus is more dominant and it will take over. And if you have two minus signs together, it becomes a plus sign. So here's an example. 1 plus negative 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. So here the negative sign took over, and the plus, we remove the plus. And here in the next example, we have 1 minus minus 1. So minus minus becomes plus. So here it just becomes 1 plus 1, which is 2. So here let's do some examples, and this will be more simpler to understand. So here we have 8 plus minus 5, which is equal to, as we know from before, if we have a plus and minus sign together, the minus takes over. So this becomes 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. So in this example, we have 7 minus plus 3. So again, the minus sign is going to be more dominant and take over. So we can just remove this plus here then. And now all we're left with is 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. And in this example, again, we have 7 plus minus 6. So again, we can just remove the plus sign and treat it as 7 minus 6, which is equal to 1. And that's it. So now in this example, we have 3 minus minus 6. And as we know from before, 2 minus signs becomes a plus. So we can rewrite this as 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. So here in this example, we have a negative 4 minus minus 9. So again, the first step we can do is get rid of these two minuses together. So this will become minus 4 plus 9. And as we know, minus 4, we can just move this over here. So this becomes 9 minus 4, which is just 5, since 9 minus 4 is 5. And just negative numbers are just like we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And before 0, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on until like negative infinity. And here we go until positive infinity. So in this example, we have minus 9 minus minus 6 plus minus 1. So first step, let's take it step by step. So let's get rid of these two minuses over here. So this becomes minus 9 plus 6, and here we have plus minus, and as we know from before, the minus takes over, so it becomes minus 1. And let's perform this first, and we can rearrange this again. So it becomes 6 minus 9, which is also the same thing, minus 1. And 6 minus 9 is gonna be negative 3, minus 1 again, and now this is negative 4. Now if you don't know 6 minus 9, we can always make the chart here, the line. So 6 is right here, 7, 8, and before it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and we can count our way back. So for starting from here, we need to count 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here we know that this is minus 9, so that's how I got this. And since there is minus 1 now, so just right before negative 3 is going to be negative 4 and minus 1. So for our last example, we have minus 12 plus minus 11 plus 2 minus minus 1 plus 3. So you can pause the video and try to do this yourself. So again, the first step is to just get rid of this. Plus minus is minus, minus 12, minus 11, plus 2, and here we have two minuses, so this becomes plus 1, and this just remains as is, so plus 3. And now we can start simplifying this. So minus 12 minus 11 is going to be going back from minus 12. So minus 12 is right here, and we need to go back 11 times. So minus 13, minus 14 until you reach minus 11. So this part here is going to be equal to minus 23 plus 2 plus 1 and plus 3, and we can now do this step by step. So this minus 23 plus 2 is minus 21 since we're going to the right side, and now we are left with plus 1 plus 3, and plus 1 plus 3 is just 4, so we can just remove this and write 4. And now minus 21 plus 4 is gonna be minus 17. Since minus 21 is here and we're going to the right side, so this is becoming larger. So minus 20, minus 19, and minus 18, and minus 17. And minus 17 is the final answer.